welcome. In this demonstration video, we'll guide you through joining a DICENTIS hybrid meeting as a remote participant. We'll show you how to navigate the interface for a smooth and effective experience. Let's get started. With DICENTIS hybrid meetings, participants can easily and securely join conferences remotely. When participants receive an invitation from the meeting organizer and follow the provided link, they will be taken to the browser-based user interface of DICENTIS hybrid meetings. Participants opening the link will be directed to a login screen. Here, they need to enter their login credentials to verify their identity. Alongside the login information, participants will also see the meeting's location, title, date, and time, which will be visible only if the meeting has started and they have been invited to attend. Additionally, participants can modify language settings or request support if required. By pressing the login button, they can proceed further. After clicking the login button, participants will arrive at the settings screen before joining the meeting. Here you can set your audio device, your camera, and microphone. You can then test the microphone and camera or blur the background for added privacy. Once everything is set up and looks good, participants can click on the Join Meeting button to proceed. This is the application's default meeting room area, providing remote participants with a clear view of the on-premise meeting room. When no microphones are active, this full room overview is displayed. When any participant activates their microphone, a close-up of that person is displayed as the active speaker. Depending on the configuration, there can be multiple active speakers at the same time, and if available, their video is shown as well in the screen. We are demonstrating the main interface of DICENTIS hybrid meetings. In the top right corner, participants can view their own camera feed. Below the camera feed, the current agenda item is shown. The main section displays the video feeds of other participants, which change dynamically based on who is speaking. If there is more than one active speaker, participants can use either gallery mode or focus mode. In focus mode, they can focus on one active speaker with a larger view. In gallery mode, all active speakers are visible on the screen. Participants can switch between these modes at any time. Participants can request to speak by pressing the Request to Speak button. Red icon indicates active microphones in the speaker list. Gray icon indicates temporary muted microphones. Green icon indicates microphones in the waiting list, showing participants awaiting their turn to speak. This section shows participants' position in the queue. The Cancel Queue button, located here, allows the participant to leave the queue. It is now the remote participant's turn to speak. The red square indicates that the participant's microphone is active. The camera of the remote participant is now shown. Optionally, the webcam can be disabled if the participant does not want to send a video stream. Participants can deactivate the microphone in two ways. Mute the microphone. This keeps the participant in the speaker list but mutes their audio temporarily. Once participants have finished speaking, they can click End Speaking. This deactivates the participant's microphone and removes them from the speaker list. DICENTIS hybrid meetings also supports presentations during meetings. To ensure participants have the best viewing experience, we recommend using focus mode. This feature allows you to see the presentation in a larger view, making it easier to follow along with the content. Participants can also see who is presenting from the presentation title in the lower left of the screen. If participants want to present their own content, they can easily share their screen with all of the other participants. Click on the Share Screen button at the bottom of the interface. Select the screen or application you want to share. The presentation will now be visible to all other participants. Next, we will review the upcoming agenda items by clicking on the Agenda button. Here, participants can see an overview of all agenda items. The blue area indicates which agenda item is currently active. Agenda items run chronologically from the top to the bottom. Additionally, participants can view a link added to the agenda items. This link opens in an external web browser. In the Participants tab, a clear overview is shown of who is in the meeting and who is not. The blue icons indicate remote participants. If a participant does not have a blue icon, it signifies they are an on-premise participant. This feature allows remote participants to easily identify who is present or absent, who is local, and who is remote, enhancing overall engagement during the meeting. From the All Groups drop-down list, remote participants can select other participants based on specific categories. They have the option to filter by country or by particular groups, such as viewing participants from a specific party or coalition. For remote participants, it is very convenient to participate in the voting process. A round of voting is beginning. The subject of the vote is displayed here, and alongside is the time left in the vote. You can see your current status here, which lets you know it's time to get ready to vote, or if your vote has been cast. Here you can see the results of the voting. Along the bottom are the entry choices like yes, no, or abstain. All votes from both local and remote participants are tallied in real time, with the screen reflecting changes to the total number of votes. This allows for full engagement in the voting and effective decision-making. The checkmark confirms that the vote has been successfully submitted. Once the timer has expired, voting is no longer possible. The voting is now closed. DICENTIS Hybrid Meetings is a perfect solution for multilingual meetings. Up to 31 languages provided from the local meeting room can be distributed to remote participants. Just simply click on the headset icon to see the available languages and select the language you would like to listen to. Please note, upon logging in, the preferred interpretation language is automatically selected for the participant. Now, let's explore the chat feature. Click on the chat icon to open the chat window. As a remote participant, it is possible to send a one-to-one message to the local operator managing the system. This communication is essential for sharing requests or engaging in fruitful conversations, such as adding an agenda item or adding any meeting points. In the chat window, participants can write text in the given area and send it to the operator. Participants will also receive responses from the operator in the same window, ensuring seamless communication. Click the X to close the chat window. The meeting has come to an end. Click the Leave button to exit the application. You now know how to join a DICENTIS hybrid meeting as a remote participant and navigate the interface effectively. For more videos like this, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.